Ever wished you could make the perfect grilled sandwich? In just a few steps, I'm going to show you how. Start with fresh bread. Spread butter on the outer sides. Layer your favorite cheese and fillings inside. Heat your pan on medium-high. Place the sandwich in the pan. Press it down lightly with a spatula. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Flip and repeat on the other side. Cut it diagonally for that classic look. Listen to that crunch perfection. Want it even more gourmet? Add a unique twist like pesto or sun-dried tomatoes. Experiment with different cheeses. The possibilities are endless. Who doesn't love a good grilled sandwich? Like what you see. Subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Happy grilling!